In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate presentation slides with Gemini AI in Google Slides. This tool can really streamline your slide creation process, making it not only quicker, but also incredibly intuitive. Whether you're working on a school project, a business presentation, or any other creative endeavor, Gemini AI is here to help lift some of that burden off your shoulders. First things first, you need to open the presentation you're working on in Google Slides. You can either start a new presentation or open an existing one. Just make sure it's ready to receive some new slides. Once your project is open and on your screen, you'll want to head over to the top right corner where you'll find the Ask Gemini button. This is your portal to accessing the AI and making magic happen with your slides. Once you've clicked on Ask Gemini, you'll be presented with a couple of options for creating your content. You can choose from a list of pre-written prompts, which are great if you're looking for some inspiration or need a starting point. Or if you have specific content you want included, feel free to create your own custom prompt. A helpful trick here is that Gemini can even source content directly from your Google Drive. Simply type in the @ symbol followed by the name of the file you want to reference, and voila! Gemini will handle the rest. After you've selected or penned your perfect prompt, Gemini gets to work generating a new slide based on your input. This happens at lightning speed, and you can review what's been created in a convenient side panel. Take a moment to check it out and see if it meets your expectations. If you find that the AI version of your slide doesn't quite hit the mark, don't worry, you've got options. You can easily request a different version by clicking the Retry button. Alternatively, if you feel that minor tweaks are necessary, go ahead and refine the prompt in the side panel. This flexibility ensures that you end up with a slide that is tailor-made to suit your needs. Once Gemini has generated a slide that you're pleased with, it's time to take the final step, inserting it into your presentation. Simply click the Insert button, and the slide will seamlessly integrate into your deck. From here, you can make any additional edits or move on to applying your design theme to ensure the slide blends perfectly with the rest of your presentation. With Gemini AI by your side, what once may have felt like a daunting task is now as easy as a few clicks and prompts. And there you have it. You've successfully utilized Gemini AI in Google Slides to generate a high-quality slide with speed and ease. Thanks for following along, and happy presenting.